Dear friends, for Youth Ideathon, the idea of mine is Business Upgrader. Business Upgrader idea came to my mind while I was working with Telegram. While I created chats and channels on Telegram, I understood the fact of advertisement. Advertisement plays an important role in our life. So I thought to make this advertisement on the small scale level, like we can make advertisement on shops which have around a public of 5 to 10K per day, like ready to go meals. So advertisement play can play a major and a vast differential role to those peoples. So I thought to create a portal to bridge a gap between an advertiser and an advertising agent, to make it fulfilled by us, and we can make advertisements from around the globe, and this eventually will increase the FDI of our country, that is the foreign direct investments, which comes from different countries and from all over the globe. Secondly, it will support the root stage of businessmen, like it will support the small scale industries and let them bring up into some MNCs or multinational corporation. Third, it will pave India's way towards a developed country. It can make India a more better and a developed country like Japan or any other country. Fourth, it will regulate the gap between a poor and a richer. So at last, my idea, according to me, is like a boon to the small scale traders and investors who have a public of around 5 to 10K per day on their shops, which will eventually lead to this portal into an sustainable app which will regulate its being income from the expenditures of the advertisers, taking a small part of it. Thank you.